Ooh, I see you. Hey guys, happy Sunday. It's Sonia and Brian, my brother-in-law. He is here this weekend with my sister Anna. We're having a great time. Last night we had a wonderful get-together. And today is a lazy Sunday. We got up, we just enjoyed breakfast together, and we put on Hocus Pocus and just kind of chit-chatted a little bit together. Last night we put out these beautiful tables. The day before that on the vlog, we painted these tables, turned them from brownie frowny over to just beautiful shabby vintage white. We're actually gonna head out now and do a little bit of junkin'. It's Sunday. We're gonna head over to Erie, maybe go visit the lake over there. And when we go to Erie, they have a big Goodwill, so I really enjoy always going there. And I did some research today that apparently Erie has like 3 Goodwills. We were just saying about when we get back home, we should watch a movie together. And your suggestion was Edward Scissorhands. I haven't seen Edward Scissorhands in such a long time. It was one of the movies that we used to always watch growing up. And yeah, so yeah, let's put that on when we get home. We'll find it on Netflix or something. So we are driving in what we call the monkey mobile, the junk mobile, and I'll give you a quick view. We're actually sitting in the back seat here. This is a, how many, 12 passenger van, Matt, is that correct? And so the 2 front seats in front of us are taken out. So that way you can open the back doors, you can open the side doors, and we have all the space in front of us to fill up with our pretty. So we find any big pieces today. You guys know if you're following me here on this channel that I love to junk for pure pleasure. Hello, junking for joy. I mean, every time we junk is junking for joy. But we also like to junk as well because we resell at our storefront in Ligonier. So sometimes we junk for ourselves, sometimes we junk for you guys, and we look for pretty things to paint together. So you never know what you're gonna find on your junkin' travels. We'll see what we get into today and what we find. But here's a look at what the space looks like behind the seats. So there's the door, slides open right there, you step up, and this is where the other 2 seats would have been, but there is a ton of area. And there is Matt and Brian up there in the front seat. Say hello. Oh, what a beautiful fall day out there. Look at it. We've just been admiring the views today. y'all that Junkin makes a girl hungry. So Matt decided to treat us over at Krispy Kreme, and I had never been inside one. Oh my gosh, guys, seeing the donuts like being fried and made, that was so cool. And of course, just looking at all these fantastic donuts. Oh my gosh, we came home with a giant box plus more. All right, guys, what a wonderful day of Junkin. What do I do with all that stuff? You know what? I paint it, make it pretty, incorporate it into my home. You get to curate a home on a budget, hello. Or like I said, paint it and then put it in our shop. So lots of fun to be had. Stay tuned and watch what I do with all those little pieces that I picked up today. And we found some good ones. What do you think, Anna? Anna, of course, is staying with me here. She came down from Atlantic, Canada for my home. She's here. So what do you think, because she's a junker too, of Junkin down here, the prices that you saw compared to maybe what you see out where you are? What do you think?
Well, that's the difference in the dollar. You can kind of get more, or it seems like more.
You get more, you think?
You got a few good bargains there today.
You saw my bargains?
Yeah.
What do you think of that stand that I got for $4.99?
$4.99?
Yeah, that little stand.
Oh, yeah,
the end stand.
$5. Yeah.
That was good, right?
Yeah. Yeah,
You can't beat. What can you get in life for $4.99? A piece of furniture, right? That's pretty substantial. So we'll have to see what pretty color we'll put on that. Maybe a pop of color. I love taking pieces that just look really tired. Yeah, solid wood. Solid wood. So taking pieces that are just tired and then putting a fun pop of color on them. Absolutely beautiful. Lots of good stuff. Found that old trunk as well. So back at my shop in Ligonier, I kind of did it on a, as you know, I love Harry Potter. Can you tell by my scarf that I have on today? Picked this one up when I was at Universal Studios last time we were down there. Love the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. But I found that orange trunk. I'm not going to paint it. Going to keep it as is. I think it'll be a really cool piece for the shop. Then we stopped here at Krispy Kreme donuts that you just saw, and right now I am enjoying the, what was it, the caramel latte. Brian got one as well. Did you like yours, Brian?
It's good.
And then what about you, Anna? You did pumpkin spice.
Oh, pumpkin spice
Yeah.
latte. Delicious.
And we sampled the donuts. At this point, we're gonna go home, put our pajamas on, feel fat and fluffy, and watch a good show. Thank you guys for tuning in for my daily vlog. Be sure to come back again tomorrow and we'll start work on those awesome little brownie pieces that we found together and make them pretty together. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Did you see something good over at that Goodwill? Did I get some good finds? Was there something that you were drawn to? Tell me below. I love to read your comments. All right, see you tomorrow. Bye.